Hey guys, welcome back again in another video. We love what are you all doing today. I hope everyone are doing good. So my people, today I have come for those who want to win jackpots, like you want to win lotto. You want that money to swallow. I don't know if you're getting me. You want to get the egombute. I have come with this very interesting, powerful recipe that will open your eyes and you will see the number that you can be able to put to win the lotto. If that is what you want to hear, please keep on watching. But before I go on, I would like to use this wonderful opportunity to welcome all my newest subscribers in the building. You guys are highly welcome. And for my OGs, thank you guys. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. For those that are watching me for weeks, for days, for months, please always remember to subscribe to my channel and then hit that red button that says subscribe and like. Make sure that you like my videos. All right, so guys, if you want to win jackpot, like you want to see the number that you play and it will click, when I mean it will click one touch. You know, some people, there's some people that are gifted, whenever they close their eyes naturally, if they're into betting, whenever they close their eyes naturally, the number to play will be appearing to them in their dreams. And again, I want to say is, if you are always dreaming and you see a particular number appearing in your dreams, do not joke with that number. That number might be your lucky number to jackpots. I don't know if you're getting me. Try and play the number. All right? And if mad person stop you on the road and begin to give you number, or maybe if mad person stop you on the road and begin to talk to you about number, this and that, listen to that mad person, get the number. Okay, they can as well see vision. They can see a jackpot number that one can actually play and you win, as in mega money that you'll be surprised. But in here, I am here to tell you how we can be able to see a particular number, the number that can make you to win a jackpot. Yes, how you can be able to see it at night while you are sleeping. Not only that, it will enhance your spiritual eye to be able to be seeing so many things like vision. Yes, you're going to be seeing things that concerns you, things that concern, in fact, anything that will make you happy, especially for those who are into betting and all that. So to do that, you need, I don't want to lie to you, if you can be able to get coconuts that has not touched the ground, because that will work perfectly well. When I mean perfectly well, I can't ask you to go and get coconuts in the market. No, get the one that has not touched the ground. All right, get the one that has not. For those who are watching me that are living in Abuja, I'm in Abuja, Nigeria. You can get this coconut from me. All right, so you can get it from me. All you have to do is just place an order. My peer will deliver it down to you there. All right, so you go and pick it any place we ask you to come and pick it. So when you get it, make sure that it not touch the ground. All right, because I know the importance of this particular coconut for such use. So get the one that has not touched the ground. Open, get like 5 or 6, open it and then bring out the water. That is number 1. Number 2, get opaka back. When you get it, just make sure they crack it. When you crack it, get this brown one. Get this brown one. Leave the white one inside, or the brown, the other soft seed inside. Now, this brown one, blend it thoroughly. Blend it, turn it into a powdering form. Turn it into a powdering form. Then if you're getting me, and then you leave the water. Just add the blended powder of this okpaka inside the coconut. Make sure that you added it into a white basin. Let it be thorough white, like plain white basin. You add your coconut water that have not touched the ground inside there. You then take a spoon of this blended okpaka back, put it inside there. At night, when you are done your waka, when you are done your night activity, come back home, take your shower, and then last thing at night, use the water to wash your face 7 times. As you're washing your face 7 times, be declaring that you want to see vision, that you want to see any. It depends on what you want to see. I see what I want to see. What I Anna want to see is different from what you want to see. For those who want to use it for betting, keep on saying that you want to see the number that you bet and that you use in betting. I don't know if you're getting me. And it will also direct you on the number to play. It will also direct you on the number to play. So wash your face 7 times with the prayer and then go back to sleep. You will see. For those who want to see vision, they will reveal so many things about you, about yourself. They will reveal so many things about your family, about your children, about your child, anything at all. And for those who want to see for betting, remember I said my wish is different from your wish. Okay? Concentrate on your wish and then go back to sleep. Wake up in the morning. For those who want to bet, go to your betting center. Just bet. Just bet. You will see what will happen by God's grace. Those who want to see it for vision, your vision eye will open as from that moment. Every night, keep on doing it. Don't do it once and say that you are trying. This thing you have done it once and it seems like nothing is. Keep on doing it. Keep on doing it every night, lasting in the night. Save it in a white bowl. In a white bowl. Okay? Do not allow your wife that is menstruating to touch it. Don't. And if you are also menstruating and you want to use it to enhance your spiritual eye, just wait until when you are done menstruating. You can use it. Make sure that you cleanse yourself after menstruating. There's a proper way that one can actually use to clean herself after menstruation in order to to go into spiritual product and all that. All right, so my beloved, that's it. This particular recipe is tested and trusted. It's 100% working for you. So my beloved, that is just it. If you need to reach me out, my number is +234 090 5982 5779 +234 090 5982 5779. I am active on WhatsApp and then Telegram. See you guys on my next episode. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.